So guys, today I want to show you how to make perfume from the scratch. I'll be using actual measurement. You can see I'm using things that you can just get at home so that you can make your own without any difficulty. And then I'm using this sachet water because I know that most people have it. You can always get it, and it's 50 ml. So I'll be basing my description based on the size of this water. So then the type of perfume I'm saying is something like this that you can quickly make at home. You can sell it at a great cost. So let me show you what I have here. So I have ethanol here. Now I want you to let you know that the things I use here, they are not just they are not things that have been adulterated. So if you use this measurement and it's not working out for you, I think you should just change your supplier right away. So I have ethanol here because these are industrial based chemicals that I'm using here. Then I have perfume here, fragrance. Now this fragrance, now one thing about perfume is choosing your fragrance right. And then I'll tell you about this fragrance here. Then I have another one here. This is Emia Oud. You can get it anywhere. So I'll tell you something about fragrance, right? So your fragrance choice really determines how well your market is going to sell. I've done a perfume before and I use a different type of fragrance. The one I'm using here is Emia Oud. Now I'm using Emia Oud because what I'm going for is that I'm going for a fun, flowery, beautiful scented lady that still has the Arabic wood to it, you get. So it's not going to be ash tone perfume, but it's going to be strong, long lasting, and then you know that wood Arabian smell is there. That's why I'm using Emia Oud. And this, don't look at the bottle size. This is this is an industrial based perfume. So if you are looking to get this in Lagos, Nigeria, you can let me know. It's not adulterated. They are poured from drums. They're not from all these small containers. I don't know how to explain it. These are drums. Like you can get 1 liter of this Emia Oud for 9,500 naira. So I'm telling you that it's that expensive. So it's just that you get the quality of what you want, because these are what they use in industries to produce their perfume or their fragrance, their perfume rather, or their body spray. So you just need little of this. You can see I'm using spoon here so that you know that you only need little of these things to produce a large batch. Then this one here is a mixed fragrance. This right here is fragrance, is mixed. So I used pears. Pears is like a baby smell. Then I mixed it with Lucky Lift. Lucky Lift is a female smell. It smells flowery. It smells. Now this is what we call essential oil, right? So this is the last one I've not spoken about. This propylene glycol. So what it does is that ethanol tends to evaporate quickly. Then water doesn't really retain. It's just there to, like, water is there to give it more quantity, reduce the concentration you get. But what propylene glycol does is that it makes it long lasting on the body. So it kind of bind all these things together and leave it on the body for a long time. So firstly, we need our ethanol. I divided the water, the 50 ml. You can get 3 of this. That's like 50 ml divided by 3 is 1 of this cup. So this is basically 50 ml of ethanol. Now said I'll be using just little quantity of this perfumes. the emir wood is not supposed to overlap the other perfumes. It's just supposed to be there as subtle. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of that. Like I said before, these are very high concentrated perfumes. So this is the major one. So I use just 2 tablespoons for that one. So I'm using just, so this one, sorry, it's very full. I'll say that's 1.5. So 1.5. That's like 4. I want to use 6 tablespoons for this. 5, 6. This essential oil, I said that I just need a drop of essential oil, right? So, and here's the propylene glycol. I'm adding the propylene glycol now. So guys, last thing I'm going to add is water. I'm just adding just one, that's 50 ml. It's going to reduce. So I've mixed it together. What I've done is pour a little quantity inside the container so that I can see how it looks like. So I'm going to spray it on my skin so I can see how it looks like. See, so it dries easily. See, and then you can see that I pour a lot on my skin. See, it's not like water. The perfume is still there. You can see like it's shining somehow. So now see, it's dry but it's still on the skin, as you can see.